An update on Butch and Suny, who you may remember are stuck on the International Space Station. It appears they'll now be there a little longer. The two NASA astronauts who expected to spend just over a week in space are now facing an unprecedented mission extension that will keep them aboard the International Space Station until the northern spring. Butch Wilmore and Suny Williams, who launched on Boeing's first crewed Starliner mission last June, have seen their original 8-day mission stretch into what will become a 10-month stay in orbit. The extended stay comes after NASA made the decision to return Boeing's Starliner capsule empty in September, requiring the astronauts to remain on station. Now, their return has been pushed back even further due to delays in launching their replacements. The next crew, originally scheduled for a February launch on a SpaceX capsule, won't lift off until late March at the earliest. While NASA considered using a different SpaceX capsule to maintain the original schedule, they ultimately decided waiting for the new capsule was the best option. The space agency prefers to have overlapping crews on the station to ensure smooth transitions between missions. Though most space station stays typically last about 6 months, with some extending to a full year, this unexpected extension highlights the complex logistics of crew scheduling in space operations. For Wilmore and Williams, what started as a brief test flight has transformed into one of the longer stays aboard the orbital outpost. Their experience demonstrates the flexibility required of astronauts, who must be prepared to adapt their missions as circumstances change. When they finally return to Earth in late March or April, they'll have spent nearly a year contributing to the continuous human presence in low Earth orbit.